We are ready for contestant number 4 from Rockford, Illinois, under the direction of Joan Boudelier, River City Sound Chorus.
Tell myself that I'm so lucky to be loving you, so lucky to be the one you run to see in the evening when the day is through. I only know what I know. The passing years will show. You've kept my love so young, so new. And time after time, you'll hear me say that I'm so lucky to be loving you. Just you. I only know that it's so. The passing years will show just how we keep this love divine, so divine. Time after time, you'll hear me say that I'm so lucky that you're mine, oh mine, oh. You'll hear me say you're mine. Time after time. I can't sleep and I can't eat. Never knew a single soul could be so sweet. Bring on that Mr. Man, Minister. I never knew I could love anybody, honey, like I'm loving you. I didn't realize what a pair of eyes and a baby smile could do. I'm saying I can't sleep and I can't eat. I never knew a single soul could be so sweet. I never knew I could love anybody, honey, like I'm loving you. 'Cause I'm getting married in the morning. Ding dong, the bells are gonna chime. Pull out the supper, let's have a whopper. Get me to the church on time. I gotta be there in the AM, pullinged up and looking mighty fine. Boys, come and kiss me, I know you miss me. Get me to the church on time. If I am dancing, roll up the floor. If I am tagging, let me sing one more. Ding, dang, dairy, dong. Get me to the church, get me to the church. For Pete's sake, get me to the church. On time, oh, I can't sleep, not gonna eat. Getting married in the morning to my sweet. I never knew I could love anybody.